there were no lights. So we had to go into a lot of places that we wouldn't necessarily go into confines at night.
There was a lot of flooding, a lot of damage to buildings, a lot of isolated communities.
Yeah, the experience of Hurricane Melissa, of course, it had devastating effects on the country.
Perhaps the most devastating hurricane we have experienced in the history of our country.
All the pilots came in, all the reserve guys, and all the guys from the regular force came in, congregated in the AV room, and we launched about 7 a.m. We were here for like 6. We launched at 7, and by 8 a.m. helicopters were in Western Jamaica.
We were the first persons on the ground to respond after the passing of Hurricane Melissa. We have a very decent-sized reserve force in terms of the pilots that support the Air Wing. And those reserve pilots, they flew in from all over the country in direct support of the operation. We even had one person overseas on a course, and he asked to be excused just to come back and support the operations.
Our operations did not stop, the tempo did not stop, whether it was day, night, overcast. We were always on the go trying to get relief items out to the most remote areas.
We utilized our aerial assets initially for assessment. What was indeed necessary was a proper assessment of what took place. After that assessment, we were able to direct our operations to where the most vulnerable persons were. We opted to move persons who were critically injured first. Then we started to move the vulnerable from hospitals. And then after that, we went into other life-saving missions.
Throughout the night, we did several trips doing casualty evacuations, transporting people from confined LZs to a park camp or to other hospitals for various medical conditions, people of varying ages. We had a CASEVAC to pick up a newborn baby in Black River. And when we got to the location, we landed on, and the nurses were transporting the baby to the aircraft. Apparently, whilst we were transporting the baby to the aircraft, the baby developed some complications and became unresponsive. The JDF doctor brought the baby back to a level where we could fly the baby into Kingston, but it was a very tight window. We got the baby into a park camp. We landed on, the ambulance was on standby, and they rushed the baby to the hospital, and the baby made it. Personally, I did a lot of night flying, a lot of NVG work during the hurricane, and as you'd imagine, there were no lights. So we had to go into a lot of places that we wouldn't necessarily go into confines at night.
I remember doing several confined CASEVACs. Of course, due to the hurricane, persons were injured at several remote locations. Very hard to communicate with them due to, of course, down cell towers, no lights, very limited resources. We went in to rescue a lady. I think her house collapsed on her. The landing area that we planned on taking was not the same landing area that we saw when we got there. Based on the hurricane passing through, debris are all over the place. You got broken down power lines. Got you to think a lot on your feet. You got to think real quickly.
We had to keep all these machines flying. They are machines, so they will not tired. We were tired, but we had to keep going just as long as they were going.
We had to be flexible in how we conduct our maintenance activities, giving priority to having aircraft available to conduct missions and trying to reduce downtime as much as we can.
As pilots, we really wanted to get in there and help as best as possible. And during the operation, that was all we were thinking about.
When people in Jamaica need help, I'll be there with Bell, helping them out whenever they need help. I love the excitement you get from the citizens seeing an aircraft land somewhere, like, oh my God, the JDF, a personal pride you feel knowing that, hey, when your countrymen need help, Air Wing was already in those communities, helping them out in their time of need.
That was one of the most impactful moments for me as a pilot so far on the operational side. The JDF Air Wing is here for the nation. That's why the phrase, "We fly for all," is written on our wall.